Assalamualaikum. In my last video, I will discuss about dot. I also tell you that dot is object-oriented programming language. Then we will discuss about who invented and when it is invented. So today where it is used. Now we will discuss about IDE where we compile our code. So here we use Visual Studio Code. So then we go to Chrome browser. We will open Chrome browser and here we type Visual Studio Code VS Code download for Windows. Then open fast website, download Visual Studio Code Mac, Linux and Windows. Click here, then select button Windows 10. Now here it is downloaded directly. We stop because I have already downloaded. Then go to file and open VS Code. Here we will run. Accept the agreement. Next. Install. Prepping to install. For that we will wait. Now it is installing. The next thing we require is Flutter or .SDK. So now we download Flutter SDK. Flutter SDK. Open fast website. Flutter SDK download Flutter. Then press get started. Press Windows. Press Android. Then scroll down and download and install Flutter Windows 3.32.5. Click and then download start. I have already downloaded it. Go to file, then Flutter Windows 3.32.5. It is unzip file. It is zip file. Then we extract it. Here we press extract all. Then extract. I have already extracted it. Then press you will press extract. Cancel. My extract file. Then click. Then filter. And then bin. Here we make a path. Go C. Then go to here and search environment. Edit system environment variables. Now go to environment variables. Click path. Then edit. Then edit. I have already. Here we paste them. Here we click OK. OK. And then OK. Now command prompt. Here we write to check Flutter is installed or not. Flutter document. It takes the time. Then tell us it is installed or not. Then we go to our Visual Studio Code setup. We launch it and finish. Next the next required things is dot extension. Dot syntax highlight. I have also install it. Then next class install dot install. Then explorer open folder save. Now we make a folder for dot codes. I have already made dot folders. Now we make a new folder. Now we go to next dot open folder. Go to desktop dot select. Yes, click select yes, and then here we made a file here. Basic dot. Here we see an icon. After point dot the icon change. Then enter. Our first program void main method int x is equal to print x. Then no problem, click, then terminal. Here we write dot first dot, then dot file name basic dot. Our first program will run dot run and flutter check flutter is strict a, it is correct working, and some issues your studio develop Windows app. We are not installed. This is necessary to develop Windows apps. It is telling us, it is telling about it not works on Windows app, but it runs our dot code. So our IDE Visual Studio Code is working. Then our next video is about variables, data types, and many others. If you like my video, then like it, subscribe, and share.